Dear parents, welcome back to our channel Little Feathers. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Day 1 worksheets for UKG. In last video, I have shared the syllabus for UKG. If you have not watched that video, please check for the link in the description box below. In my upcoming videos, I'll be using these books as a reference for my syllabus. The practice books of the same publications are available online. I've given the link in the description below. So let's start today's session. Today, I'll be sharing worksheets for English, Maths and GK. So let us see English first. The first heading is missing letters. Since your child must have learned alphabets in LKG, you can quickly give a recap for alphabets through these simple recap activities. For this, your child need to find the missing letters and fill them. The second activity is also a simple one in which your child should find the relating small letters for the capital letter and match it. To do this activity, your child must be familiar with alphabets. The third activity for English in Day 1 is find the small letters and circle it. You can write the alphabets to be found on one side and a small letter options on the other side and ask your child to find them. This actually will help your child to remember both small as well as capital letters. Next activity is join the dots. This is a fun activity and your child will enjoy while doing this. For this activity, you can create a pattern and ask your child to join the dots in alphabetical order. Now comes the important topic, vowels. All those previous topics which we discussed earlier are just recap of what they have learned in LKG. So from vowels, we are starting a new topic for UKG. So for this, first they need to know which alphabets are vowels. So what you can do is you can write them separately and you can ask your child to repeat them after you. You can repeat them at least for 5 times. Repetitions can make them to memorize easily. You can always highlight and write those alphabets. Once they learn the vowels, you can give them a simple activity to find out if they can identify vowels from the alphabet. So that is find the vowels. So for this, you can write alphabets from A to Z in small letters. And you can ask them to circle only the vowels. Through this activity, you can easily find out whether your child have understood the concept. So once they are okay with vowels, you can start 3-letter words for vowels. That is CVC. Consonant, vowels and consonant. For Day 1, I have started with app words. To make this app words concept more clear, I have given 3 different activities. In the first one, I have given the words along with pictures. So you can ask your child to spell it out and find the word with the help of picture. For example, C-A-P. What is C-A-P? So when a child looks at the picture, it will easily say cap. So this activity will be easy and your child's confidence level will increase slowly since they can easily identify the word with the help of picture. Then slowly, you can improvise their learning through next activity. So they have to form 3-letter words from the clue given. The words which are given in this activity is same which was given in last activity. For example, C-A-P. So what is C-A-P? It is cap. C-A-P, cap. Next one, M-A-P. M-A-P is map. Like this, you can help your child to find and form 3-letter words. When you are doing like this, it will be a recap for your child. And then the last activity for 3-letter words is matching activity. So on one side, I have drawn the pictures and on the other side, I have written the words. So first, they have to read the words aloud and then they have to match the picture. For example, N-A-P. What is N-A-P? It's nap. So where is the picture for nap? It's here. So they can draw a line. Like this, you can ask your child to complete this activity. For this activity also, I have given the same words and pictures so that your child can learn fast. I have attached the PDF of these worksheets below in the description box. You can download it and give daily practice to your child. Next comes the maths worksheet for day 1. Since it is day 1, I have given numbers only till 20. So you can keep increasing the numbers as they get familiarized with numbers. First activity is to find the missing numbers. So I have given blanks for few numbers which your child has to find and write. The next activity is count and match. On one side I have drawn the pictures and on the other side I have written the numbers. So for this activity they have to count the pictures and find the corresponding number. For example, in the first column there are balls. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So where is 9? They have to draw and match. Now we are moving on to the next activity. That is what comes next. So what comes next? Your child needs to do the forward counting and they need to write the missing numbers. This activity will help to create a strong foundation in numbers from 1 to 20. Next comes the important activity, that is number names. But before doing this activity, first you have to make your child to memorize the number names from 1 to 10. Don't go beyond 10 because till 10 itself, it will be enough initially for your child. Once they learn number name, you can ask them to do this matching activity. The next one comes the backward counting. So, once they are thorough in counting forward, you can introduce this concept called backward counting. So, you can ask them to find the number which comes before and write. This actually will definitely create a stronger impact in learning numbers. In the same way, you can try for counting forward also. The last worksheet for day 1 is for GK or EVS. So from day 1 till 5, I have taken the topic about myself and cleanliness. So I have prepared a worksheet today for cleanliness. I have drawn the pictures of things to clean on one side and the correct pair on the other side. So what a child has to do is find the correct pair and match. Since they'll be writing a lot for other two subjects, I have not given writing for EVS today for day 1. As I told you before, I have attached the PDF files for the worksheets below in the description box. If you want, you can download it. If you have any other queries relating to my video or any topics relating to kindergarten, feel free to write in the comment section below.